We have gone round to see what happened. Fortunately, the fire brigade team came in very strongly. And before we proceed, I want to mention that one, no learner has been injured. No student has been harmed in any way. Now, the fire has destroyed 3 dormitories carrying about 85 learners each and 4 classrooms. So we have 250 students who are directly affected by the fire in terms of all the items that were in the dormitory have been destroyed. Of that group, the school, that is the board, the PTA, have decided that they are not sending the learners home. Now, we want to thank the Red Cross. They are coming in very handy. They have decided to support the school by offering 20 tents. Of the 20 tents, 10 are going to be used for accommodation so that the learners whose dormitories have been burnt can have a place to sleep.
If you think that by burning the school you will not do exams, you must not be wise, because we'll do exams under the trees. That's how it's going to be. Because if you are mad, why don't you start by burning the house of your father? Are we together? And the parents will rebuild it. That's how it is, pure and simple. So if you look like you have children, go and talk to your children and engage them so that they respect themselves first.